I know I'm in the middle of this awesome swept charger, the swept line Ramcharger, but then a couple weeks ago I run across this for sale. An actual Ramcharger. So she'll have a brother. So I've just been giving this one a little bit of love. It leaked oil like a sieve. I've changed the rear main, changed the oil pressure setting unit, gave the motor a little bit of love, and it's actually running pretty decent. Interior, for what it is nice and clean. Looks like she got rolled at one point, and previous owners threw a door and fender on it, but the body side needs some work. So I think we're going to pop some dents and spray a little primer on that just to clean her up a little bit. Very similar back hatch to the swept line Charger. Somebody put a horrible ugly tack on the dash. It's going to get ripped off. It runs, I think, pretty damn good. That metal is pretty wrinkly. Two skins, a filler after all the metal work. It's far from perfect, but just to seal it up, I threw some used old paint that I had laying around. I'll throw it outside. That's good enough for one day. Tomorrow I can clean up my mess, and then one of these days I'll bring it in and do some real body work to it and make it look real nice. Okay, so there we go. That was the Saturday project of the new purchased Ramcharger. I cleaned it up, steam cleaned the inside. I took the, like I said, the oil pressure setting units, took a bunch of shit off there trying to get the engine to stop leaking, and pulled it. I'm actually really happy with how that side came out. I took a Scotch-Brite and Scotch-Brite that shitty brown paint that I threw on it, just because it was too shiny. And I mean, now one of these days I'll have to actually do body work to the whole thing and give her a whole paint job. Oh, so I had some old floor mats. This is kind of funny. So I threw some floor mats in it I put seat covers in it yesterday too. So look how much room is around that floor mat. These are fitted floor mats for like a 2015 Dodge or Ram. And look at like the passenger side. Look how much more leg room this vehicle has than what those mats would have been. Kind of funny. And then the back seat one, that goes, I went to put that one in the back seat, but it has a big center hump when there's no hump here. It's a big flat floor, so it doesn't even fit at all. So just funny, this old thing's got so much more leg room and cab room and people room than a modern vehicle. But that's that. Like I said, the bodywork actually came out pretty dang good for I'll real fast yank some dents and rip it down.